Hey guys, this is our letters and sounds, page 31 and 32. All right, so what we are going to do is number one says we are going to match the pictures whose names begin with the same letter. So there are going to be some pictures that have the same beginning sound. All right, so let's look. Right here, we have a D, deer, D, deer. Then we have a T, T, turtle. Do those two sound the same? D, deer, T, turtle. No. So what about D, deer and D, duck? Yes. So we're going to draw a line between the two. Those match. All right, next we have a K, cow. K, cow. So I hear the K, K sound. All right, next we have a P, pig. P, pig. Do K, K and P, P sound the same? No. So let's try this word. This is a K, cat. K, cat. Does K, cat and K, cow sound the same? Yes, we're going to draw a line. All right. This is a picture of a swan. Swan. This top picture is a picture of a skunk. Skunk. Do swan and skunk sound the same? I think so, but let's check. This is an owl. Do swan and owl sound the same? No, they do not. All right, so let's look right here. Next, we have a goat. Goat. Then we have a horse. Horse. Then we have a gorilla. Which one sounds like goat? Very good. Gorilla. All right, go down to number 2. It says circle the blend your teacher says. All right, so Miss Hendry is going to tell you a blend. Si, 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 and it's going to be in this first cloud. Si, si. Which one says si, si? It's that one. Very good. All right, let's look at the second cloud. We're going to circle the blend that says ta. Ta. Good. Next, we are going to circle the blend in this cloud that says ma. Ma. Good, it's the first one. All right, so now let's look over on the back and let's look right here at number 1. It says match each picture to the letter you hear at the beginning. All right, so this is a monkey. Monkey. Do you hear what sound do you hear at the beginning? Let's draw a line to the letter that says Good, it's this one. What does this letter say? So we are not going to pick that one. All right, let's look at the tiger. 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 Which letter says t? Very good, that one. All right, because this letter says b, and this is not called a biger. That would be crazy. All right, this is a bear. Bear. Which letter says b? Good, this one on the bottom, because remember we just said this letter says t. This is not a tear, this is a bear. Good. All right, this is a lion. Lion. Which one of these letters says for Right, this top one. So let's draw a line because this bottom letter says t. All right, so let's look at this hippo. hippo. Which letter says good? Next we have a seal. Seal. So which letter says good? The bottom, we're going to circle the blend that your teacher says. All right, so let's look at the yellow pot. We're going to circle ma. Ma. Miss Hendry had already kind of accidentally pointed to it. All right, let's look at this green pot. We're going to circle the blend that says he. He. Right here. Look at the blue vase. We are going to circle the one that says saw. Saw. Right here. Let's look at this orange bucket. We're going to circle the one that says g, ge. G, ge. Right here. Very good. Bye, friends.